Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make easy fruit salad at home. First, choose your favorite fruits, aiming for a mix of colors and textures. Think about what's in season for the freshest taste. You'll need about 6 to 8 cups of prepared fruit for a good-sized salad. Make sure all your tools are clean and ready to go, including a large mixing bowl. Now let's prepare the fruit. For fruits like oranges or grapefruit, segment them to remove the membranes. For berries, simply rinse them gently and pat dry. Cut all your chosen fruits into uniform, bite-sized pieces, roughly 1 inch. This makes it easier to eat and ensures every spoonful has a great mix of flavors. Place the cut fruit directly into your large bowl. The secret to a great fruit salad is a light, refreshing dressing that enhances, not overpowers, the fruit's natural sweetness. In a small bowl, whisk together 1/4 cup of fresh orange juice, 1 tablespoon of honey, and 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. This simple citrus dressing adds a lovely glaze and a touch of tang. Pour it evenly over your fruit and toss gently to coat everything. For the best flavor, let your fruit salad chill in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Serve it in a beautiful bowl, perhaps garnished with a few fresh mint leaves for an extra pop of color and aroma. It's perfect for breakfast, a light dessert, or a refreshing side dish. And hey, if you're looking for other great deals and a book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below for the link and more.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.